Our next player up in the batter category is number 5. This is David Miller from South Africa. And again, let's open at a bid of 2 crore, please. 2 crore for David Miller. At 2 crore, do I have a bid in the room? At 2 crore for David Miller. At 2 crore, do I have a team coming in, starting us off for this afternoon? At 2 crore, do we see a paddle coming up in the room? Any team at all? Any team at all raising their paddle to start us off? Do I see a paddle raised anywhere at all for David Miller? Looking around the room to see any paddle, any bid, any interest at all? None coming in so far. Thank you so much. Delhi Capitals gets us going at 2 crore, straight ahead of me. Welcome. At 2 crore now, the bid is with the Delhi Capitals at 2 crore. At 2 crore, do I have anyone else taking us ahead of that? At 2 crore, currently opening bid with the Delhi Capitals. All done. At 2 crore, any other team coming in? I will sell then, if we're all sure. All done then, and selling to the Delhi Capitals. Last chance for anybody else. David Miller to the Delhi Capitals at 2 crore. Sold for you at 2 crore. Thank you. Number 18, this is Ben Duckett from England. Number 18. And let's open again at 2 crore, please, for the English wicketkeeper at 2 crore. At 2 crore, do I have any bids at all at 2 crore? Any team coming in at 2 crore to start us off? At 2 crore for Ben Duckett. Looking around, thank you, Delhi. 2 crore, Delhi has bid. Center of the room now with the Delhi Capitals at 2 crore. Anybody else coming in ahead of the Delhi Capitals? At 2 crore, do I see any other team coming in? All done then. No other team coming in. I am selling center of the room for the Delhi Capitals then. Ben Duckett at 2 crore. Sold to the Delhi Capitals at 2 crore. This is Akib Dar. For Akib Dar at 30 lakh. At 30 lakh, thank you, Delhi. At 30 lakh, I have a bid straight ahead of me now. At 30 lakh, anybody else coming in ahead of Delhi? 85, say the Rajasthan Royals. At 85, 90 lakh, straight back with Delhi. At 90. 95 lakh for the Rajasthan Royals at 95 lakh. At 2 crore, then, Royal Challengers shake their head. At 2 crores, we are back with the Delhi Capitals at 2 crore. At 2 crore, Delhi's bid ahead of everybody else. Any other team coming in? SRH comes in, 2 crore 20. At 2 crore 20, 240 straight back to the Capitals. 2 crore 60 SRH, 280 Delhi, 3 crore is the Sunrisers Hyderabad. 320 Delhi, 340 Sunrisers, 360 Delhi, 380 Hyderabad, 4 crore Delhi, and 20 Hyderabad, 440 for Delhi. 460, thank you, SRH. Ahead of you, Delhi, 460, 480, say Delhi. 5 crore for Hyderabad at 5. 520, back with Delhi. And 780, say Hyderabad. 8 crore. Delhi Capitals has come back at 8 crore now. At 8 crore. 820, thank you, ma'am. Ahead of all the other teams at 8 crore and 40 lakh. Anybody else coming in? Last chance to raise a paddle for any other team. If not, we will sell to the Delhi Capitals then at 8 crore and 40 lakh. Sold for you, Delhi, Akib Dar at 8 crore 40. Thank you. It is the capped batter, and let's start at 75 lakh again, please. At 75 lakh, do I have a bid anywhere at all? Any team coming up? Thank you, KKR. At 75 lakh, the bid is with Kolkata, and selling 80 is Delhi. 80 is Delhi. Delhi Capitals is 80 lakh. Ahead of you, Kolkata. 85 goes back to Kolkata. 90 comes to Delhi. At 90 lakh, Delhi's bid. 95 lakh, say Kolkata. 1 crore, say Delhi. 1 crore 10 for KKR. 1 crore 20 DC. 1 crore 20. 1 crore 30 KKR. 1 crore 40 Delhi. 1 crore 50 KKR. 1 crore 60 Delhi. And 7 crore 70 KKR. 1 crore 80 Delhi. 1 crore 90 KKR. 2 crore is Delhi. 2 crore 20
KKR, 2 crore 40 Delhi. 2 crore 60 KKR. 2 crore 80 for the Capitals. 3 crore for the Knight Riders. 320. Delhi Capitals at 320. 340, say KKR. 360, say the Delhi Capitals. 360. 380 for KKR. 4 crore, Delhi comes straight back at 4 crore with Delhi. KKR thinks. Delhi Capitals at 4 crore. Kolkata takes a minute. At 4 crore, they've asked for a minute, sure. With the Delhi Capitals at 4, KKR is pondering. At 4 crore with Delhi. Done. At 4 crore, it's with the Delhi Capitals now. At 4 crore. At 4 crore, anybody else coming in ahead of Delhi? All done. At 4 crore, then I will sell to the Delhi Capitals if we're completely sure. All done. At 4 crore. Delhi, that's for you at 4 crore. Patam Nisanka, thank you. This is Lungisani Ngidi, the bowler from South Africa. And let's open here at 2 crore as well, please, at 2 crore. Do I have a bid at 2 crore? Do I have a bid? Thank you, Delhi Capitals. I do. At 2 crore now, the bid is with the Delhi Capitals. Anyone coming in ahead of that? At 2 crore, anyone coming in ahead of Delhi? All done. And selling then for the Delhi Capitals straight ahead at 2 crore. For you, Delhi, at 2 crore. This is Sahil Parekh from India. And let's open at 30 lakh, please. At 30 lakh, do I have any interest? At 30? Anywhere in the room at all? Thank you, Delhi Capitals. I do. At 30 lakh now with the Delhi Capitals. All done? Everywhere else? All done then. And selling for you, Delhi, at 30 lakh. For you, Delhi Capitals, at 30 lakh. Prithvi Shaw, number 6, India batter. And let's open at 75 lakh, please. At 75, thank you, Delhi. Coming in straight away at 75 lakh. Anybody else going on ahead of Delhi? At 75 lakh and selling then to the Delhi Capitals at 75 lakh. Prithvi Shaw to the Delhi Capitals, 75 lakh. Number 96. Kyle Jamieson will indeed be the last player today, the New Zealand bowler. And let's open at 2 crore, please. At 2 crore, the only team that's coming in, Delhi Capitals. And Kyle Jamieson selling to the Delhi Capitals at 2 crore. Sold. Thank you all very much. Thank you to all our fans.